Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add Cash App to Google Pay. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we're going to go and be needing the Cash App application. So if you do not already have it, what you want to do is go to your App Store and download it. So go ahead and open up your App Store. After opening it up, you want to go ahead and open up the search option, and by opening the search bar, you want to search for Cash App, find the application and install it. Once you have installed it successfully, you'll be greeted by the main page where we can get started with logging into your account. So go ahead and log in using your phone number or your login details, whichever option you prefer. And once you have logged in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can take a look at your cash balance, your savings, and all the other settings that you have. And now we can get started. So basically, guys, what we're going to do, you'll be able to add our card to Google Pay as well that we are using right here in Cash App is do the following. You want to open up your cards section first. You'll be able to find your card section right here at the bottom of the page. As you can see, we have the dollar sign in the middle, and to the left of the dollar sign, we have the card icon. This is what you want to open up. After opening up your card icon, you're going to go ahead and open up this main menu right here where you can take a look at all the cards you're using in Cash App, and now we can get started. So as you can see, by long holding one of the cards and long tapping on them is going to open up this settings menu where we can take a look at all the settings we can access. As you can see, we can add it to Apple Pay and activate our cash card and so on. So basically guys, if you are using an Android, it's going to enable you to add it to Google Pay directly from here. If not, then you can just go ahead and activate your card from here. So remember all your card info. This is the card that we're going using. Let's say this Visa card. All we have to do is just open up Google Pay manually, open up Google Pay and add the card button. So click add a card, and from there you can just enter in all the same information that you're using in this card from right here, entering your card number and all the info that comes along with it, and you'll be able to manually add it to Google Pay and then use that card in Google Pay as well. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.